Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how to use map function in Python. So map function, it can take two parameters. It can take a function as its first parameter, and it can take an iterable like a list or set as a second parameter. So basically what map function will do is it will apply the function to each element in the iterable and return us the iterated object. Let's take an example where we have an raw names and you want to clean it up. Like you want to remove the empty spaces and you want to capitalize the names. So basically what you will do is you will iterate through each element in the raw names and apply or like pass the element to the cleanup function as an argument, and you'll save the output in the output list. So instead of doing these steps, even though it is small enough, instead of doing these steps, you can use a single map function where you can give the cleanup function as its first argument, and you can give a raw name as its second argument. So let's see here. So we can give cleanup function as its first argument and raw names as its second argument. So what map function will do, it will apply the cleanup function for each element in the list, and if we print it, so it will return the iterated object. Now you can convert this iterated object into any iterable like a list or a set by doing this. See, so you can change it to the list, or you can even change it to set if you want to remove any duplicate names in it. So we don't have any duplicates name here, so that's how you'll be using the map function. And thanks for watching the video.